Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we simplify your digital life. If you've ever accidentally sent money to the wrong person or made a payment mistake using the Capitec app, you're probably wondering if you can reverse the transaction. Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you a step by step guide on how to reverse money on the Capitec app as for 2024. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you've updated your Capitec app to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the newest features, including transaction reversals. Got it. Open the Capitec app on your smartphone and enter your secret remote PIN to log in. Always keep your PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard. Now navigate to the Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. In your transaction history, find the payment you wish to reverse. Tap on it to view the details. After selecting the transaction, look for an option that says Reverse Payment or Request a Reverse. If this option is available, it means the transaction is eligible for reversal. Then tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to confirm the details of the transaction you are reversing. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. You may need to enter your remote PIN again for security purposes. Once you've entered your PIN, your request to reverse the transaction will be submitted. You'll receive a confirmation message stating that your reversal request has been received and is being processed. Keep in mind the reversal might not be instant and could take a few days to reflect in your account. And that's it. You've just learned how to reverse a money transaction on the Capitec app.